Hello again, my friends. Welcome to this new lesson of learning English. Our new lesson will be about the preposition of time. So, prepare your notebook and be ready. The preposition of time are in, on, at. We use in to refer to general longer period of time, such as months, years, decades, or centuries. For example, in April in 2017 or 2017, in the 21st century. We use at for the most specific time and for holidays, for example, without using the word day. For example, meet me at midnight. Meet me at 10 o'clock. We use on to talk about particular days, dates, and holiday moving to shorter, more specific period of time. For example, I went to work on Monday. Let's have a picnic on cloudy day. In summary, we use in to show the largest time, on for dates and time, and at usually show the smallest time. Now time for the exercise. You can pause the video and try to answer these exercises. So try to fill in the blank with the suitable word, either in, at, or on. So the right answers are at 7 o'clock, at night, at dinner, in 2020, in December, on that time, in the winter, in 4 hours, on Monday, on a hot day, at 10:25 p.m. We reach the end of our lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to share and subscribe.